that you're having a great summer. Today on the channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite veggie burgers. These are black bean burgers and they're so good. They're really simple to make. You can just, assemble the burgers, cook them on the stove top, and add your favorite toppings to them, and they're delicious, super healthy, lots of protein. I'm also going to be showing you some of the things I like to put on my veggie burgers, including pickled red onions, which I made a couple videos back. So showing you again how you can use pickled red onions throughout the summer. And I'm also showing you my favorite hamburger buns. I have checked out basically all the hamburger bun options out there, and I have narrowed it down to what I think are the healthiest. I am super excited about the recipe today and showing you my favorite veggie burger, so stick around and let's get into the video. So to start off, you'll need 2 cans of black beans, rinse and drain them, and then add one of the cans to a large mixing bowl and mush it down with a fork until it becomes like a bean paste. Next, add in the second can of black beans, as well as some finely ground yellow cornmeal, a small onion grated, which is about 1/4 cup, and some delicious spices. I'm doing some cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Chopped walnuts for great texture and crunch, and cilantro. And finally, add 1 flax egg. This will help with binding and moisture. If you're a big hot sauce fan like me, you can add a couple dashes. Then just stir everything together. Once all of the ingredients are nice and combined, you can go ahead and form the burger patties. This recipe will make about 6 to 7 large burgers. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, just add a little bit of olive oil and get the pan nice and hot. Then I just cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown, and that's it. For the buns, I'm using Dave's Killer Bread whole grain buns. These are so healthy and delicious. I love them. You can get them at Harris Teeter. I'm also using some fresh homemade tomatoes from the garden. Now it's time to assemble the burger. I toasted my bread, added some greens, the homegrown tomatoes, the veggie burger, some cheese, which I should have melted on the stove, the pickled red onions, avocado, and some of this Dave's Gourmet creamy ginger citrus sauce that I really like. And that is it. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you did, give it a like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.